Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a back-to-school flyer for an open day using Canva. First, head over to Canva. Once you're there, click on the green Create a Design button, then search for and select a back-to-school template that you like. For this example, I'm using one I've previously worked with. Once you've chosen your template, click Customize to open it in the editor. Now that we're inside the design editor, the first thing I like to do is remove the background. I want this flyer to be printable even by users who don't have a Canva Pro account, so I'm removing any Pro-only elements. Next, change the background color to black. This gives it a sleek, stylish look. You can also remove any unnecessary elements like promotional labels or placeholders, especially since this is for an open day and not a sale. Now let's add some elements. We'll use a school bus and a chalkboard. Be sure to use the free versions of these elements if you're designing for users without Canva Pro. Drag them into your layout and adjust their positions as needed. For example, you might want the chalkboard to sit in the background. Then upload any custom images or illustrations. I created one using AI. It's a fun, stylized teacher graphic. If you're part of my design community, I'll share the prompt I used to create it. Alternatively, if you want a more realistic image, platforms like Pinterest can be great for inspiration. Now, back in Canva, remove any image backgrounds if needed, but keep in mind that background remover is a pro feature. If you're using the free version, you'll need to use pre-cropped images or look for free background-free graphics. Once your teacher image is placed, you can add students too. Feel free to adjust the layering and placement until the scene looks just right. Make sure everyone is visible and that the layout feels balanced. Now it's time to customize the text. Start by adding a heading something like Back to School Open Day. Then add your school's name, the date of the event, and contact details such as the school address, website, and phone number. You can adjust the font, colors, and effects to match your school's branding. Once your flyer is ready, it's time to share it. You can turn your design into a template link. Just click on Share, select Template Link, then Copy Link. Finally, paste that link into a PDF document, which you can upload as a digital product on platforms like Etsy. And that's it. You've now created a beautiful, functional flyer for a school open day, completely customizable and easy to use for both free and pro Canva users. See you in the next class. Bye for now.